Okay, now in this video we will see how we can create a module. Module you have created, you have written so many programs, so you know how to create a module, but we will see how we can import it, how we can make use of it at some later date. Just see this example. I created a module here, this boundary, this is a module, fine. And after creating this, say I save this module under the file sq.py. This is my module. I told you the modules, the feature of the module is it must be saved under a file with .py extension. So I saved it under the name sq.py. What I was doing in this module, it is a simple, very simple thing. I just took a function, simple function called find. And this find function had three parameters a, b, c. I calculated a square plus 2ab plus c square. I wanted to know what value it gives and I printed f. Fine. And I had a main body also in the same module where I just tried to input three variables m, n and p, and I called this method or the function find. I asked him, let me know the result. So that is how I was getting the result in this module. Now at some later date, I was writing a different program and suddenly I felt that I need to do the same computation. So my point is, why shall I write the same code again? If there is the facility of reusing in object-oriented program, then I should be able to reuse the code which I wrote at some previous date. So that is what we are trying to do. What you have to do is, I am writing a program at some later date, this program, right? So I thought I will make use of this function. So what I need to do, first of all, I need to refer to this module name. Okay, I need to write here import. Look at this carefully. I just have to write import and we will write sq. If I write import sq, what will happen? I will be having an access to everything of this module. And then what I did, look at this, I input three variables p, q and r, and I made use of this function. How did I make use of this function? I need to write sq.find. Why sq.find? Because find was basically a property of the module sq. It was present in the module the find was present in the module sq. So I need to write sq.find and then I pass the values, these three values. So what will happen? This will directly call this function and it will compute s square plus 2ab plus b square and let me know the result. So look at this. I only made use of this much part of the module. I am not interested what was happening here. Or as a matter of fact, I may have a different function here. Say the function name was compute, written before this. Okay, and some job was done here. But I did not try to make use of it. I just wanted to make use of this function find. So what I did, I just wrote the name of the module sq, whose property is that dot the function, and then I passed the values because it had three parameters, so I had to pass three values. That is how we can import a module in our current program and we can make use of it. Right? Hope you have understood this. Now in the next video we will see how we can make packages and make use of it.